Guys probably aren't even around today, but today is it's happy 3rd of July, and today is the day that we have curry, or at least I'm gonna have some curry. I went to Canada with my wife, and we went to a place called Foodie World up in Richmond, BC. And at Foodie World, they've got all sorts of really cool, it's like a huge Asian supermarket. And today, I'm gonna review one of the ones that we got up there. That being, put the cups where they need to go. There we have, this one is called, by a brand called Picnic that I've never seen before. This is Picnic Hot and Rich Curry Noodles. Or Picnic Hot and Rich Curry Flavored Instant Noodles. And these are from Thailand. And notice there's a lovely picture of a bowl of curry with some egg action for you. All sorts of good stuff on there. So I'm going to make something, it looks like there's like 3 pieces of squid, cut up egg, a piece of, looks more like parsley than coriander, maybe some fried fish cake of some sort, I don't know. But yeah, let's curry it up. I want to curry some favor. Just get ready because it's just going to be ridiculous curry. I guess you could call them jokes. I wouldn't. Anyways, we've got 320 mils of water as called for, and it's going in here. Boy, that sure doesn't look like enough. I guess we'll see what happens. It really doesn't seem like enough. It's going to be noodles with no broth, and that's not even hitting the line, yo. All right, it's time for emergency noodle 101. So, we're not even hitting the line, and I boiled exactly the amount that it called for. So, I'm going to throw this on ultra fast using only the hottest water. Get that sucker up to the line, because to not do that would be kind of ridiculous. Yeah. And let's see, what am I looking for? I'm looking for something. I figure since people keep asking throughout the videos usually, here's what I'm making. This is Picnic Hot and Rich Curry flavor. It's a little bowl, as you can see here. Just a little bowl of noodles that I got up in Canada, and it's made in Thailand. So, I am not going to use this bowl. I'm going to use this bowl, which is much happier, and it just, I don't know, it seems more bowlful. I don't know. That's another brand from Canada, made in China, that we found at what do you call it? Dollarama. Come on, boil, sucker. Yeah, it's like the amount of water to what's needed is like way too low. But that will be rendered fixed momentarily. So tomorrow is the 4th of July. There will be probably no live stream. I mean, it's the 4th of July. We're going to be traveling. Going to go up to see my mom and my sister and go watch a parade. The little ones haven't been to a parade yet, so I thought, hey, we should make them see a parade. Okay, water is almost boiling. So this is supposed to be covered for 3 minutes. It's uncovered and it doesn't have enough broth, or liquid. It does have liquid in it though. So I think the correct thing to do, let's see. All right, you're hot enough. You run it up to here. There we go. Didn't need much more, but it needed more. we're going to have this go for, oh, I don't know. Two minutes and 26 seconds. That makes sense to me. Not only that, I'm going to flip the noodle block. Oh, no, it's already actually doing pretty good. So yeah, that's kind of weird because I actually measured out exactly 320 mils of water, but it kind of has been on a hangry boil for maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, so maybe that much went up in steam. I'm unsure, but it's possible. And then the liquid needs to go in there too. There's a paste sachet that came with it. The easiest way to get liquid out of a paste sachet, other than just directly, because I got to do these, you know, all these different shots when I do reviews. Basically, I just put some of the liquid in the little cup and swirl it around. That's probably, I don't know if anybody was like, go, wow, I wonder how he does that. Yeah, that's generally what I do. If I have multiple packs of the same one, then I don't do that. But here we go. All right. That is hot and rich curry flavor, folks. So this is a little plastic bowl. I don't know. It's pretty hot on the outside. I've never understood why they go with plastic sometimes. Maybe it's kind of a selling point. There's a company called Fashion Food. They have a lot of them in that style. I don't know. Just the little plastic ones just don't make me go, ooh, look at that. It's plastic. The paper ones are great because it's kind of like an espresso cup. You know, you've got that first layer, then you've got like an outer layer. Kind of puts a little barrier in between the straight on heat and everything else. It's got 12, 11, 10 seconds left. I'm going to sample it and then I'm going to throw it in this pot for a moment. Let's see what we got here. Again, this is picnic. Let's go on a picnic and have, whoa. I'll use this hand. Let's go on a picnic and have some hot and rich curry flavored instant noodles. All right, and we go for the taste test. So, I'll say right now, the noodles did not hydrate very well at all. They're still in the, I'll leave them in the pot for a minute and see what happens. I generally don't like to do reviews that way, but what can you do? So, we're going to add some things to this. It out, as it were, but I don't know. I don't like to compare noodle bowls and flavors, especially curry. Curry is not a whore. Curry must never be referred to in the way that a whore would, or be treated to be pimped out, as it were. I've never, I mean, I get it, but yeah, not a fan of that. Not hacking them. Really not the same thing. Or I haven't sat up for hours like doing some kind of editing of files to make it so I can gain access to this food. Anyways, we're gonna add some tofu puff, some egg, some fishball, some other things. So, yeah, let's do another taste of this really quick. See if it went any happier. It's all right, and the thing that I have a problem with is, see, this noodle is perfect for like tom yum. Let's see if I can get it better. There we go. This is a good noodle for tom yum. It has that kind of signature Thai crumble to it, but it just doesn't work here. It's unfamiliar. It's funny lands. I just don't get it. Here's our egg. And our pre-thawed, cooked up fish ball. Got a lot of add-ons here. I might have to pull one or two out and just have it on the alone side. There's a couple pieces of carved squid. Carved squid. So, for you, you've probably seen these, especially on Korean varieties. All you do, I mean, you can buy it like this, and it's already done up. Say you got a fresh squid fillet. You just take the squid fillet, take a knife, and go in one direction, and go in the other direction, and then actually slice it. When you're first doing the you're only just perforating the first, like, halfway through the squid. You don't want to cut it all up like that. That'd be kind of funny. But you go kind of a checkerboard, kind of diamond pattern. And then what you do is you cut it into strips. And then you drop it into boiling water and it curls up and then it looks like that. Pretty simple. Here's our tofu puff. I absolutely cannot tell you how much I love tofu puff, but I'll try. I absolutely love tofu puff, also known as topak, tofu pak, also known as, man, what is up, 99 Ranch? Your tofu puff has just gotten, yeah, it's fine, but it's dry, and I don't like it when it gets dry as much, but it's tofu. It's like literally it's a puff of tofu, but it just doesn't, when it's dry it's not as good. Here's some mung bean sprouts, and can't go wrong with coriander, especially in something from Thailand or from the adjoining wondrous areas therein. And we're gonna go with, come on, let go. I don't like that one. I like this one with less stem. There we go. You make them look all happy. And if I had some, I forgot to get it at the store last time. I suck. But if I had some, I would throw in, what do you call it? Fried onion, fried shallot, something like that. Give it a nice little bit of crispness. I like it crisp. And there we have it. Let's see, maybe I can just bend this thing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Let's move this ultra sharp knife out of the way. Yeah, cool. So there we go. And that is this. Wow, it's so hard to work with this sometimes, but I always figure it out. There we go. Picnic curry, hot and rich. Rich and hot. Is it rich and hot or hot and rich? Hot and rich. That makes more sense. So yeah, that's what you end up with. What do you think of that? What do you like to put on your curry? Maybe mention that down in the comments. Although since it's a live stream, do they have comments? I'm not sure. I think they do. But yeah, all right. Well, tomorrow's the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody here in the States. Happy Canada Day belated to all you wonderful people up north. And, yeah. Those fish balls look good. Yeah. All right, well, I got to take some pictures of this. So, this has been Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.